you look at yesterday afternoon, we were solid mid-90s there for a while. And 94 degrees, it's only 3 degrees above normal. However, we had a little onshore wind yesterday that brought the dew point up to about 82 in Tampa, and that allowed the heat index to get close to 120 in a couple of spots. That's dangerous, and that's exactly where I think we're going to be again this afternoon. Here are the heat advisories and the extreme heat warnings. Pinellas, Hillsborough, Polk, everybody north. Heat index above 112. Now, from noon to 7, it's not going to be above 112, but somewhere in that time, it will be. So that's why that warning is issued. Then, for Sarasota, Bradenton, eastward, including Hardy, DeSoto, Highlands County, you're under heat advisory. 108 degrees or higher. There's not a big difference between these two. And it really isn't. Both are very dangerous, and they're both an alert to you to say, hey, let's slow it down, spend a lot of time inside, and if you have to be outside, so you're working outside, take more frequent breaks than you normally would. I mean, at this point, you live in Florida, and you know it's hot. This is just extreme for us, so please be careful out there. 80s are all over the place this morning. There are a couple of spots in the 70s. Those really won't last long. We got 80s across the Panhandle, 80s over South Florida, and the dew point temperatures, which measure that surface moisture, the lowest I can find is 74 in Pensacola. That's extreme. Dew point of 80 is ridiculous. And that's what we're going to be looking at again today, especially when you get a little southwest wind to pump in. So the heat index for everybody goes back to the triple digits for the entire state. And the rain chances at about 30 to 40%. Why are there not more? You see this red? That's drier air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. That is stopping some of these storms from developing. So we will have a few today, just like we did yesterday, just not as many as we would typically have. So as a result, there's your heat advisory, your heat warning, a few afternoon thunderstorms. We'll roll it up to 95, 96 degrees with the heat index well over 100. We'll do it again tomorrow as well. You will notice by the end of the weekend into early next week, the rain chances start to go back up again, 50 to 60%, which then will allow temperatures to get back down closer to normal. Normal still 91, though, Elise.
Oh, well, normal sounds better.